You got these off of Amazon, right? You done?
Yeah, I got them for Christmas. They're on my Amazon wish list.
That's all right.
They're significantly shorter.
Yes. For your little teeny tiny fingies.
I got long penis fingers. Long penis fingers. You wonder why my Jeff bike has a regular.
Yeah. Oh shit.
What'd you do?
Lost a nut.
What, just fall inside?
Yep. Fell down.
That's okay, we can find it.
Down, down, bam.
I'm a man of many talents. Finding shit is my job.
Yeah, we can look probably straight down.
Alright, you want the...
Give me the handle.
This one.
No, the other one.
This one.
Mm-hmm.
What's the difference?
I don't know, dude.
Oh, okay, that part goes down.
Mm-hmm. And we're gonna stick this back in here.
Find that nut.
Mm-hmm. Let's crank it back down. Well, so I'm gonna get this down first. Does it look like it's going down? Yes.
Yes. Quite well, actually.
Okay.
Wipe down the tank.
Okay.
I'll wipe it down again when we're ready to do that part.
All right. It fell straight down. Is it on the ground?
I don't know. It looked like
A little chrome nut.
chrome.
That's me, my guess. That's what it looked like when it fell. I see it. Inside the fairing.
Aha. Remember when they said naked bikes maintenance is easier?
No, I don't.
Oh.
I don't listen to that stupid shit.
On naked bikes, maintenance is easier because stuff doesn't get caught in the fairings.
It looks a lot better. It breaks it up, you know?
Yeah. Little one or big one?
Don't make a difference. Whatever we got a 10 millimeter for.
Here's a 10 millimeter. I think it's the right color red.
Hmm? Oh no, I need a, because it's hitting everything in its mother. Is there any type of little extension? Give me that little extension.
Yes.
Yeah. This is why I buy so many fucking tools, dude. No, that ain't gonna fucking fit in there. Nope. Nope.
It's always something.
You know, go get me that little teeny tiny one out of the toolbox. It's better than nothing.
Hold it where you make it, Dad.
You like to see homos naked? Me too.
Prince. He called this 10 teeny tiny. I think it's a great size. It might even be too big.
Oh.
And it's going to be an 11.
No, it's a 10. Oh, it's not even on the thing. I turned the handlebars too far.
Oh, you were spinning the dial?
Oh, it's up here. God damn it. Okay.
Perfect. Perfecto.
Make sure. All right, this one, I don't know how we're going to get this cable out of here.
I definitely get the socket in there.
It feels like it's way too tight.
Probably factory tight.
No, like way too tight. Like this is like real up against here, so you can't. Yeah, it's a fucking horrible design, dude. Let me see up here. Because look, it won't even.
So designed not to be removed is what it seems like.
All right. I think take this whole thing off.
That's what I'm thinking. Remove this, and that's going to be hanging freely. Oof. Nobody saw that. And it's not even the right size. It's too big. That's too small. This one.
Yeah, obviously they're not in order.
Nah.
All right, you want to do it?
You can go. I gotta wipe my bike off. I tried to threw a rusty piece of metal at it. Yes, our prior knowledge tells us we can remove the assembly and flip it over.
What type of fucking
Design is that? It's
yes
called Japanese efficiency.
All right, hold that thought. You're just have to put some force love on it. You heard? Forced love.
Forced love is not something I want to use.
We're struggling with this motherfucker. That's going the wrong way. Oh, that's right. You want to need it?
Little force love.
Little force love.
We're just about to make
All
that
right.
comment. Lovely weather.
All right, ready, set. Okay, ready, set. Okay, ready, set. Oh, there it goes. All right. Going. I just don't know how far this thing's gonna go. All right, go get us the other one.
The other lever?
Mm-hmm. Okay. Wasn't too bad.
Now, once we start doing it.
Okay, this goes in here like that, right? They're lined up perfectly. Now this has to go in there like...
In there like somewhere?
Oh, he's in the... There it goes.
So it's gotta go like that.
It's gotta go like that. Nice. All right, give me the bolt.
Bolt.
All right, is that down through all the way? Yes, nut.
Yeah.
You got the socket and everything?
Nope. I have the ratchet.
All right. All right, hold it.
Yeah, I'll just hold on to it like this.
Right there.
Because I can't get it started. Oh. Wait, never say never.
I don't even know what this camera's pointing on.
RJ, what do your elf hands do? They work in Kawasaki's.
Elephant magic. All right, ratchet. All right, where's that little 10 wrench?
I don't know.
I don't know how we're gonna do this. That thing, dude, fucking stinks out here.
The garbage can inside had some water in the bottom I had to dump out earlier. And we need more Swiffer tanks.
Okay. Now
We gotta tighten the assembly back up.
yes, the clutch part. This part. That seems out real far, don't it?
Yeah. But these are smaller levers.
Oh, let's try them. All right, back to the other goofy thing.
Now back to reality. Hopefully goes slowly.
Surprising it wasn't that hard.
Yeah. Only 30 minutes of a 15-minute adventure.
That thing's fucking...
It's tight.
That's tight. But I guess it's supposed to be tight, right? You are going to...
Take a lap.
Then we're going to sit on it. All right. How do they feel? That one's way down a lot further than that one.
This is on 2.
No, I mean the actual... This one's pointing down. This one's straight out.
Oh. This one's a lot looser.
That's your clutch, dude.
That's fair. I guess it should
We got to loosen this up and get an angle of that one. You don't got your key?
Yeah, it's in the way.
Take it around the block. Make sure the clutch ain't slipping or anything.
All right, little legs.
I got you.
In the way.
Little legs, you know you're the one. And I'll get the tools out while you're...
Yeah, then I'll wipe this down because the PV last year made it slick.
Oh, like 50. All right, be careful. No, in the center. Yeah, so we can work on it. All right, that's good.
It's good.
Oh, we gotta lower that handle. All right, turn it off. Let's put the handlebar straight because it looks discombobulated now. Because this one's way down here and this one's like pointed up. Whatever is more comfortable for you. I could raise that one up. Figure the whole point is supposed to be leaning, so I think they're supposed to be down more, you know?
Yeah, you can angle it down a bit. Just in my friction zone.
Like right there, right?
Yeah, about there.
All right, everything should be tight. The clutch is good, nothing slipping, right?
Nope.
All right, let's clean her down to your sticker. You want a power wash or you just want to clean it?
We can power wash it.
All right,
To be fair, we'll probably end up doing both.
well, if you power wash, you're gonna have to let it fucking dry.
Oh.
Well, it won't take that long. It'll take like an hour or two.
Let's power wash it.
Be nice to start up a little shop just to do all this shit.
Yeah, if you know anyone in New Jersey that wants their bike washed, we got it.
Do like a before or after. Did you get it before with the handles?
I did.
Get the mud on that fairing down there too. Drip, drip, drop. There goes an eargasm. Going right out your memory bank, you big skank.
Yeah, I got you too, so you can help.
Hold on. I don't know what the hell's in the bottom of this. Because Max did it, God bless him, the last time. And put so much fucking soap in there, you know?
Yeah.
Where's I don't need a turbo. All right, throw some soap in there.
I got soap on the look, so I'm using my arms with some soap.
That should be good.
No, Max made the whole bucket of soap.
Yes, that's what I mean. All right, I think that's enough.
Yeah. There you go.
Oh. I'll do the top, you do the bottom. Oh, it's not even wet.
Is that a joke about you being old?
Yes, and my little fucking legs, dude.
It's my favorite part of my bike.
Did you get all the mud? Yes. This is the only part of your bike with fucking color on it. Go hill up timber. Who's that? It's like, I am their Jesus Christ because I pay them. Don't I?
No.
Oh, that's a car. No, that's not the car you fucking hit.
No. I can ride a motorcycle, I can't drive a car.
That's all right. You can't do everything.
You can't be pretty and smart, that's why
I don't think it's that fucking dirty, though.
it wasn't. I wiped this thing down quite often.
You do the swing arm and all that?
Did I wipe it down? No.
All right, we're gonna start rinsing this thing. All right, Rosambo.
Cambo?
You rinsing it? I'll let you rinse it. It's your bike. That's why we get to keep the mud off it, you know?
Yeah, first. Get that fairing up on the backside. Like up here?
Yeah, get all that.
This side of the front. I think we're good.
Here, let's see real quick.
All right, you clean up after me.
No. All right, now you gotta let it dry. Oh, you're gonna wipe it down, clown.
Finish it up.
What's that?
We can let it dry and then come out.
Yeah. All right.